All right, we are back, boys. We are back. Oh shit. Let's go. Gotta say hi to the brothers. But we meeting, I don't know his name. He still didn't figure out a name, but we're meeting the guy on the cruiser. We're meeting him today at like a McDonald's for a little breakfast. Following me is Iron Clover. So we're gonna stop for a little breakfast over there. So it should be good. Should be fun. It's not as cold as it's not as cold now as it was on the breakfast run, luckily. I mean, it is like what, 9:30 in the morning, so it got a bit warmer, so that's good. And we're also not going as far today, which is a bonus. It's not like I don't want to go far, it's just that, you know, I don't know, it's not as fun if you don't know where you're going. It was very fun with the group, so I still need to get used to the long rides. It is very fun though, but the road on the way there, like obviously the camera shot off so you couldn't see it, but the road on the way there was horrible. So it wasn't as fun, like I couldn't relax. You constantly have to look for potholes and cars and shit. So it was good. The place was nice. I hope you enjoyed the last video that I posted. I just need to remind myself to take more pictures, you know, because I didn't take a lot of pictures. But yeah, I tried some new stuff, dude. I tried some editing. I got some cool clips in there. A lot of it I think was very funny. I just need to get used to the copyright stuff, because that kind of sucks. Not that I expect anything back right now. I mean, I barely have any subscribers, so I don't expect anything, but it still kind of sucks. I don't want people to think that I'm stealing this shit, you know? But I did try to make it pretty cool. I learned my lesson. I made it like a color correction, which on a picture it looks pretty good, but on the video it just made the video quality so bad. So I think I'm just gonna stick to the normal things, the normal like quality. What you see is what you see. If it is a bit gray, then it is a bit gray, but I'd rather have it be not as colorful and good quality like image than, you know, than a cock quality. That's Iron Clover. That's Iron Clover. She's my sister. She's pretty cool. You should check out her Instagram. She posts a lot of stuff on her Instagram. She did do something with TikTok. A little bit. But yeah, we're still starting out now. We've been riding the bikes not for that long, so we're still dipping our feet in the water, if you know what I mean. Where is this guy going? Yo, you good, bro? Whee! Downshift, downshift. Yeah, I'm not making that. I'm still trying to figure out a good way to do the mic, because right now I'm recording it with Bluetooth on the phone through the car door, but it's the wind noise, man. The wind noise sucks. I can't remember, dude. Who sings Mamba number 5? Yep. Completely ignored, moving on swiftly. What the fuck? Oh, okay. It's all good. So this bike has like a false neutral between 5 and 6, which really is fucking annoying, by the way. Because I don't want to fuck up my bike. And a lot of the times when I go fast and I switch from 5 to 6, it goes into like this neutral where it just rev lines the shit out of it. And then I'm like, oh, what the fuck? And I took it to a shop because I was like, hey, I need to do the service. And whilst I was there, I was like, hey guys, you know, do you have any suggestions on what I can do to fix this? They said no. Apparently it's a thing with the higher end KTMs as well, where they have like false neutrals, which really flippin' sucks, by the way. But we make do. We make it do. Also, if any of you guys recognize where I'm like going, or in what area I'm in, dude, drop a comment. Tell me who you are, bro. I'll find you. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But I will incentivize us going on a ride together. I need more riding buddies. Because right now it's just me, my sister, hashtag Iron Clover, and my other buddy, which still is yet to decide a name. So, but I'd like some more friends, bro, to go. So if any of you are willing or are nice, like, listen, I'm not the guy that does like wheelies and fucking fast shit. I'm not into that. I have a 450 that can barely go 140 on the highway. So if you're one of the guys with like a fucking CBR 600 now trying to call at me like, hey dude, let's go on a race or some shit, I'm sorry, I won't be able to do that. I'm just not into that. I like the ride, not the race. So sorry, but it is what it is. Right, so we're talking breakfast, boys. I'm 100% gonna try and get some footage of us eating. That's only if they're okay with it though, but I'm gonna try to get us some footage eating, or at least a picture of what we had, because myself, I'm gonna try, or I'm gonna go get the hash brown, well, not like the hash brown, but you know, the McMuffin, or the breakfast egg McMuffin, or whatever the fuck, that one. It has like egg, bacon, a hash brown on a muffin. It just sounds very cool. It sounds very delicious. So I'm gonna go try and get that, but la la la. Nope, okay. She's still shy. She doesn't like lane filtering yet. Also, I need to get like a fog thing for my helmet or for my visor, because I have one, but I have two visors. I have a tinted visor for the day, and then I have a clear visor for the night. And the clear visor has that like, it has like that foam, or not foam, but the, what is it, the protector that doesn't fog it up. It has that. But I need to get another one for the tinted visor because every time I go under like 30 kilometers an hour and I talk too much, and then it like fogs up, and it's really fucking uncomfortable. But that's the spot. I'm just trying to find. Yeah, boy, let's go. Look at this dude. Okay, now we need to find that guy. I don't know if he's here yet, but we need to find him. Oh, there he is. What's Gucci? Oh fuck, you parked over there. Can you park over here? Alright, doing a little U-turn about. Okay.
What's up, buddy?
Hey. Did you get a coffee? Fuck you. Cool beans. Cool.
I was so fucking scared back there, and it was like a massive rock, and I went over that fucking rock on my bike, and I rolled it, and I was like...
What? Sorry?
Which one can I load?
That one. Yeah, you can ride the Honda. This one is mine. You can ride any of those two. It's fine. Lekker dag vir jou. All right. We're gonna go for the transition again, boys. Transitioning.
I look at the fucking bakery section.
Oh. Nah, dude. I already know what I'm getting. 100%.
I want that, like, 2 cheeseburger thingy, because I...
Beep. Transaction completed.
What should I get here?
The massa. So get chicken nuggets. Nee. Is jy okay met jou gesig wat wys?
So I've been thinking of a channel name.
Finally.
I don't know what they want. They want, and then she's like, yeah. And then the manager walks out, I'm like, no thanks, you're Amanda. And he's like, no, I don't know what I want all the time, too.
How's it, man?
What is it?
How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you this
I'm great, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Good to see you.
It's the first thing you want to get in the morning is just a lekker breakfast here.
You will definitely have it.
Yeah, I got the mega muffin or the mega McMuffin or something.
Yeah, you ordered already.
Mm.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem, man. Not a problem. Hey, that's me. I'm guessing that's her.
Yeah, it's 3. Yeah.
Thank you so much. How hot is the hash brown?
Not that hot.
Okay, cool. Because last time I burnt the fuck out of my mouth.
Sorry.
No, it's not your fault. Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye-bye. Couch.
Everything in front of your back.
I just thought I'd see. True that. Maar ons kan by daai plek van switch af en switch on. Yeah. It's got a fun feel. It does, but it's nice. They gave me an extra patty. Chicken. Okay, camera.
I aspire to eat like a movie.
That was fan service, 100%.
Go makes that face when you're busy with her. You should stop.
No, if the girl makes that face whilst busy with you, then you marry her.
So I remember last time I had old breakfast on a Thursday morning.
I don't. Big Euro 6. The auntie, bro. The aunties. 100% the auntie. Or Mrs. Elastic.
Oh my god, I was thinking
Elastic girl, dude.
I think you have to actually like.
The white reindeer from Nico's.
Oh, Nico's mom.
Yeah.
The one where the eye keeps pulling up. With the worm in her head.
What? I said, right? Oh, the fucking Nightmare Before Christmas girl.
Sally.
Yeah.
I mean, Jack Skellington. No.
Mm-hmm.
Sally is Sally. You're talking about another. Say Tim Burton, yes.
Back of my brain is very. And then they Ruth. Then it got cut up.
In little slits.
And then sent across the world. Some poor student might be holding a piece of fucking the telephones and computers and stuff we use made out of sand. Dude, there's golden fucking strips in the cell phone because it's the best conductivity.
Dude, we have gold with us.
No, like the microchip is made out of silicon.
I mean, I like the theory of everything is stardust because Earth was nothing, and then you know, obviously evolution happened. So they said because you find some asteroids contain like water, iron, blah. So everything is basically stardust.
Yeah, that's where our gold comes from. Gold is not a natural occurring.
Yeah.
Lemons are not natural.
Lemons are not. But every household, even stove mice along, they have a fucking lemon tree. You cannot have a valid house without a lemon tree.
Even you have a lemon tree. Yeah, that's
Popeye
part of the
tree.
reason why.
Oh my god, yeah, there's a lemon tree. That's not a valid house, though.
That's not a valid house. It's a valid house.